Hello, everybody. This is Teacher Dawn. Good evening. How are you this evening? I hope everybody is great. Okay, now for this evening, we're going to study the two short vowel sound. Okay, we have the ib and the id. Okay, now, but before that, we are going to have short conversation about what are this, and okay, you're gonna help teacher how to answer. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Okay, now let's do it. Okay, what are this? They are pears. Everybody repeat after teacher. They are pears. Everybody, they are pears. Okay, they are pears. Okay, that's awesome, dear students. Okay, the second question, what are this? Are these peaches? No, they aren't. They are oranges. Again, no, they aren't. They are oranges. Again, no, they aren't. They are oranges. Okay, the last question. What are these? Are these grapes? Yes, they are. Repeat, students. Yes, they are. Okay, again. Yes, they are. Okay, that's excellent, dear students. Okay, now let's go to another blending sound or short vowel sound for ib, everybody. Ib, ib, ib. Okay, that's great, dear students. Now let's go to, okay, the letter and the sound. Okay, we have letter I, everybody. I. Okay, what is the sound of the letter I? E, E, E. Okay, the next one we have the letter B. Okay, what is the sound? P, P. Okay, and we're gonna combine them and we're gonna pronounce it as ib, everybody. Ib, ib, ib. Okay, ib, ib. And, okay, let's go to vocabulary. Okay, what is the first vocabulary that we have? We have bib, everybody. Bib, bib, bib. Bib, bib, bib. Okay, that's awesome. Okay, the next one is we have rib. Okay, everybody. Rib, rib, rib. Everybody. Rib, rib, rib. Okay, now let's do the blending sound. Okay, ready? B, ib, bib. B, ib, bib. B, ib, bib. Okay, that's wonderful. Okay, the next one we have r, ib, rib. R, ib, rib. R, ib, rib. Okay, that's great. Okay, now let's go to id sound. Okay, what is the first letter we have? E. Letter I. Okay, what is the sound? E. Okay, now the next one is letter D. What is the sound? D. Okay, and we're gonna combine them. We pronounce it as id. Okay, everybody. Id, id, id. Everybody. Id, id, id. Okay, that's great, dear students. Okay, now we are going to have the vocabulary. Okay, the first one we have kid. Everybody. Kid, kid, kid. Everybody. Kid, kid, kid. That's wonderful. Okay, now the next one is we have lead. Everybody. Lead, lead, lead. Everybody. Lead, lead, lead. That's excellent. Okay, now let's do the blending sound. Okay, we have k, id, kid. K, id, kid. K, id, kid. That's wonderful. The next one, la, id, lead. La, id, lead. La, id, lead. Okay, that's excellent. Okay, now let's go to chanting. Lead, kid, bib, rib. Lead, kid, bib, rib. Lead, kid, bib, rib. Okay, that's wonderful, dear students. Thank you for your time. See you.